Okay, so I'm going to make it really fast, give you an update where we're sitting at on R2. I have the body separated from the dome right now. The dome is just sitting on some paint cans. I ran some wires. I have a permanent 12 volt going in with my power supply. And there's the board. Still have I have to clean up all the wiring. I had to recharge the batteries because they died on me yesterday. I was doing some programming. So what I'm going to try and show you here is some sequencing and statuses. You have communication between the radio itself, which has the ethos, and I'm trying to get this where you can actually see it. So on screen 1 we have alarms, chorus, happy, sad, data sending, humming, Adam's Family, Gunga, Leia, Luke, Muppets, Bye-bye, Darth Vader, the Rebel, and then All Stop, which is your emergency stop. On the second screen, Cantina Band, Chewbacca, The Force, Scream 1, Scream 2, low movement, top movement. These are all set for different stuff, and of course another emergency stop. So if I was to go back to screen 1 and I press alarm 1, you're going to get a sound, okay? And let me press it again. Watch what happens on the dome. So I've got it programmed to where when the sound goes, so when I press the top, when I press the alarm, the top panel comes. When I press happy, I get the top panel. So let's do that again. If I press happy, you get the top high panel and panel 8. If I do chorus, so what I did for that is I'm basically testing it right now. So when the panel opens, it's going to have to be timed. So the panel will open, and I'm going to have to do a delay of how long I want it to have it open. And that delay will be like when it goes, ah, the pie panel will open and it'll hold for that long, and then at the end, it'll close back down. It's going to take a lot of programming because as you program it, you have to go into the Palulu software, and you're basically writing what's called a sequence that has a bunch of different codes on it. Some of them are longer than others, and then you can set the delay on it. But this is for one. If I hit play loop on this one, okay, so, oop, he wasn't done yet. That's a long one. So, I'm just learning the process of how to move all these panels at this point. And now that I've got it figured out for programming, I can go in there and I'm going to just have to start timing everything, adding some delays, speeding stuff up, slowing stuff down. And then I've got okay, so It's a work in progress. At least now I figured out how to add the motions with the sound. So now I can actually start programming each of the buttons to have some motion, and we'll go from there. I screwed up one little simple thing, and that one little simple thing just caused so much on the delays of figuring it out. If I didn't make that one mistake when I first started, I wouldn't have been running into the issue that I spent all day yesterday trying to figure out what was wrong. It was changing one number back to a 0, and then everything worked fine. So sometimes when you rush, you make simple mistakes, but I think I got it down now. I'm going to start programming stuff like crazy. I'm going to start working on the body. I have to paint the outer skins white. I have to get the door panels working. A bunch of stuff added on there. So hopefully by May 4th is my goal, to have everything done and have him rolling and moving and making sound. Okay, we'll talk to you later. Out.